Alright guys, in this video we'll be removing all of the broken parts off the van. Alright, to start off, this front bumper is gone. When we went to load it up on the trailer, the lip actually caught the trailer and ripped it off. But anyways, so we need a new front bumper, new headlight because that's really bad, a new engine because it's messed up, I believe. I think there's something wrong with the intake. I just feel like rather replacing it with 233,000 miles. It's just easier to put a newer motor with less miles on it. Go around to the side. There's not really anything we need here. Pretty clean. Pretty good. The rear bumper has some damage down here, where I guess the guy that had done some engine work for the previous owner had pushed it in and out of his garage with his four-wheeler. But this is the main reason I want to replace the rear bumper. It's a pretty big dent. I'm going to try to get it out as much as I can, see if I can save myself some money. But I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do that. Anyways, I took out the tail light that was busted if you looked at the reveal of it. I'd already removed it to clean the seals and stuff. Anyways, I'm going to try to get this dent out of the, I guess, lift gate. I think is what they're called on a van. But I'm going to try the best I can. It doesn't really hurt with sealing purposes or anything, so I might just leave it. My cat Daisy, shop cat. Anyways, as we go down this side, nothing real wrong. Nothing really wrong. I plan on doing new brakes and rotors. These are pretty worn, but I guess it's a factory thing that they are too small for how much mass they're trying to stop. So I figured before I even let my wife drive it, because this is going to be her car, I'll replace all that, make sure everything's tip top. That way I don't have to worry about her breaking down or anything. But anyways guys, let's get to taking all the parts off and put you guys on a time lapse. You guys can kind of watch me just take everything apart. Let's get to it. Never pulled a Chrysler Town & Country bumper, but from my understanding it's just a bunch of 10 mils and some of those plastic clips. Well, let's get to it, I guess. Alright guys, as you can see, got the bumper off. Now, should I figure out how to get these headlights out? guys, when you take stuff apart, make sure you put your bolts in baggies. Make sure you label your wires. That way you don't get them mixed up with any other wires. Alright guys, that'll be the end of it for tonight. It's like 11 o'clock at night or something like that. So tomorrow I'll start on it again, but for you guys it'll be a second or two maybe. Alright, what's going on guys? Yesterday, or in the last video, I guess, you guys had seen that I pulled the whole front end off of it. The bumper and the headlights and stuff. Well today we're going to tackle the back. That way I can start working on pulling that bin out. Let's get to it. Alright guys, as you guys saw, I took the rear bumper off. Now, what my plan is I'm going to try to heat it up and pull this dent out. Pull this dent out, hopefully. This, I might be able to get out and get it hot enough, kind of make that flat. The cracks and stuff I'm not too worried about. But, man, look how much dirt the bottom of that trim had on there. Holy crap. That's gonna be it for this video. In the next video, you guys will see me taking the core support off and getting ready to pull the motor. Thank you guys for watching.